Welcome back to Relationship in the Raw, hosted by ST's Therapy, where we talk about real relationship challenges and solutions brought to you by actual therapists.
Do you have a history where your trust was broken and now your current relationship, it's hard to trust? I get it. My name's Janine Estes and I'm a marriage and family therapist in San Diego. And we work exactly with this issue around trust being broken and how to start repairing. It's like you went and touched the hot stove, you got burnt, and now people are saying, hey, go touch the hot stove again. You're going to be a little bit more timid. You're going to be a little bit more worried about touching it. You don't want to get hurt. You don't want to get burnt again. That's totally okay. So what do you need to do? Here are 3 things you need to do to start rebuilding trust for this new relationship. Number 1 is you need to do a reality check. Does my partner now, have they violated my rights? Have they hurt me in any way? Do I have anything factual? Right? We need to know facts. Behaviors and words need to match. If you don't have anything, that's important to know. Step 2 is actually to start paying attention to your body, because when we were burnt before, our body remembers being hurt. So then when we're leaning in to trust somebody and put our heart in their hands, our body is going to dysregulate it, right? We're going to be really distressed and our body is going to get tight. We're going to get nervous. Our worry is going to start running through our brain. And that's the trauma brain, right? The trauma brain is going to start searching for any possibility of any type of wounds to help protect you. It's doing a good job trying to protect you, but that's happening in your body. So you've got to really tune in and say, hey, body, different person. This is no longer so-and-so, new person. It's okay. I have no history here with them. They haven't hurt me. Calm down. And then the third piece is when you're fearful and you have that kind of scanning the environment, panicking, questioning, you need to press that pause button and put yourself into that like more vulnerable spot. And then try to turn to your partner and say, hey, babe, I'm starting to get scared. My history is popping up. It's really hard for me to trust right now. You've got to do it in a vulnerable way. Step out of the questioning, asking, attacking, blaming, because that's not going to get you anywhere. You've got to seep into that, like really that fearful, vulnerable spot and start to turn to your partner and say, help me. I'm not okay. I know it's my history. You haven't done anything wrong, but help me because I'm starting to be scared right now. You might need to do this 30, 40, 50, 100 times and get reassurance, but over time, your partner can show up for you. You can feel better. So please check out our website, ststherapy.com, for more information. We have lots of resources on how to build trust, how to rebuild trust, how to learn how to trust, or you can book an appointment online with us as well. Thanks so much.
Thank you for joining us today. Remember to comment below what you would like to learn about next. Check out Relationships in the Raw on all of our social media channels located in the description. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe to be connected with all of our upcoming episodes.